Hi, I'm Ben Chilwell, and today I'm going to be cooking my favourite meal, Chili's chicken burger with Zapp. First off, we're going to be making the tomato relish. Add fresh chopped tomatoes. Smells lovely. Let's start on the burger. Don't worry if some of them go over the edge. Get our chicken breast into the corn flour, put it into the egg, and then the Doritos. Pop our chicken breast in the oven. Show you guys how it's done. Next, we're gonna make our potato rosti. Gently put that in here, place it on top. One bit of cheese, back in the oven. Let the cheese melt. We have our burger bun, which has already been toasted. The final touch is the relish. There we have it. I'm a natural.